Hi, I'm Steve with Agiko.com. Agiko Computer Service takes care of computers here in Utah County and Salt Lake County. We're on site for both business and home. We've got about 20 years of experience. Web browsers. A web browser is what you use to browse the web. Everybody, when they have Windows, they get the free version of Microsoft Internet Explorer. That is a web browser. You type in an address and it browses the web to that location. There are other web browsers that work very well also. One of them is from Google. It is called Chrome. If you go to Google and type in a search for Chrome, C-H-R-O-M-E, download and install Chrome. It's a great little browser. It's a little bit faster than Windows Internet Explorer browser. It doesn't crash as much either. Another one that's real good, and I use all three of them, is Mozilla Firefox. If you go to Firefox or Mozilla.com or search for Firefox, it's a great little browser that also does not have as many problems as Windows Internet Explorer. I like it because it's faster, it remembers things, and also because it doesn't crash as much. I use all three. Someday one of them won't work and the other will. Some websites, one will work well and the others won't. I suggest all three of them. If you need any help, we'd love to work for you. Give us a call. Find us at agiko.com. Thank you.